What's up everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it. I want it.
In today's video, guys, we are gonna clean out my closet. We're gonna organize it. We're gonna get it together. I have literally 3 weeks of laundry that I have not done simply because I don't have anywhere to put it. It's quite messy in here, but I'll let you guys see for yourself. So yes, it's a mess and I'm very embarrassed by it, but we're gonna clean it and you guys are never gonna see it like this again. Okay, first things first, I think I'm gonna get all the random stuff out. For example, like this pillow, I'm not sure why it's in there. Bag, not sure why it's in there. This is all stuff like in the corner too. We have just a lot of stuff everywhere, but I'm gonna get all it out and then I guess we'll start from there. I don't know. I hate organizing and stuff because it always takes so long, but I'm gonna listen to some podcasts while we're doing it. Okay, I'm really procrastinating. Let me go. Okay. This is what we're working with. So I cleared it all out and it is a little dusty if you guys can't tell. So I'm just gonna dust that real quick. And then look at all this. This is everything that was on the floor that didn't have a spot or just all random. Something I realized, which it totally passed my mind. My closet is this full because I'm trying to transition from like summer clothes to fall clothes. And I just don't have anywhere to put the summer clothes. Like I never did the transition. I just started wearing winter clothes and all my summer clothes just like thrown all over the place. So I think that's the issue. So I feel like I should sort out the summer clothes, put those away, just have my winter clothes in there, and then we'll of course put my clothes away to have like on Poshmark and whatnot. But wow, this is a lot. And most of it is summer clothes, like I can't even lie. A lot of this is nothing I can wear these next couple months, so it's already hot. I'm already out of breath, but okay, let's keep going. So since majority of this stuff is like summer clothes and needing to transition that, like for example, this bathing suit is literally like sitting in the main part of my closet and the pool is closed. I don't have any reasons to be wearing bathing suits, so I'm gonna transfer all the summer stuff into like a different bin and then put that bin at the top of my closet, or maybe even put it in like a packing bag, I guess. I don't know, but I just don't want to have this summer stuff in my like main wardrobe because then I feel like I'm digging through it and it's making a mess. So I'm looking for something, but it's underneath all the summer stuff and the summer stuff gets thrown out, and it's just an ongoing cycle of if I had the right season clothes in its right spot, I could probably avoid ever having a mess because I feel like I'm not a messy person. Like I'm always cleaning. I like to have a clean space. So yeah, I guess we're just going to transfer. Okay, good start. I have my workout pajamas all organized. We have socks and that type of stuff organized. Summer stuff organized. I know there's way more summer stuff in this closet than just this bin of stuff. So I'm not gonna put that away yet, but I am gonna put these in their right position, and then I feel like it's gonna start like clearing things out. Kinda good amount of stuff done, but like not enough. I'm still looking at this mess. Yeah, we still have a good bit to do, but I guess it's better than it was. This part's done, so let me put these away. Okay, we have made some improvements and I'm actually pretty happy with it because I'm almost done. I feel like this is less work than I was setting out for it to be. But something I noticed as I'm like going through my clothes and putting things away, there's so many things that I just feel like I don't need anymore. I feel like they're not my style anymore. For example, like this gold sweater. Like, love it. I loved this when I bought it. It is very uncomfortable, but your girl just pushed through it because I wanted it. But now, I don't think I would ever see myself wearing this. Like, I loved it in high school, but I feel like now I wouldn't wear it. So I do actually have a Poshmark, and it's pretty successful. I have like 10,000 followers on it. I'm regularly selling clothes, like even though I'm not as active on it as I used to be, people are still finding my things and buying them, and I just feel like I have so many things that I could sell. For example, like this. I've worn this 2 times. I just don't have time right now to do all of it because it does take like a couple hours to pull everything out, to take pictures of it. So that will be like for another weekend. But if you guys want a video about me like selling my stuff, let me know. I can make that. But yeah, I feel like that's where I'm at right now. It's not as messy as it was, but I feel like once I get rid of a lot of stuff, then I'll be able to really like get my closet together. So this is what it's currently looking like. These are just empty bins, but I'm gonna fill them with these like lounge clothes. So like this right here and this. Lounge clothes basically is what I wear for class now. So I just want to have it in a bin. It's easier to keep it together. Then this is like garbage. I'm so sad I have to get rid of those, but whatever. Laundry. Those are like my new clothes that I just bought. And then on the bed is just like more loungewear and sneakers, but I'm gonna put that back in the closet. I'm just still figuring out how I want to do that. So I think next I'm gonna put all my loungewear in their respective bins. But so I just want to tell you guys where I was at with that. But like I was saying, I feel like I can make this so much more organized and pretty and like aesthetically pleasing, and probably in like a color order. Oh my god, that would be great. Imagine that, like black, whites, grays, beige. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do that, but I need to sell everything first. So what I meant when I was saying loungewear is like these sweatpants, for example. They just don't fold, roll up, nothing in a nice way. So they're just gonna go in this bin. And I really only wear loungewear to class now. Like this is normally like what my outfit looks like for school. So I want to have these clothes handy, so when I'm getting up in the morning I can just put them on real quick, go to class, do whatever I want to do. Like I said, it's all online right now. I don't want to dress up. I don't want to put on anything crazy. I just want to be comfortable all day. So that's kind of the mood that I'm in at all times now. But when classes start back up in person, I am stepping. I am coming hard. I'm not looking like this on campus. No. Guys, I'm gonna go off, and my legs are really hurting. Ow. Ugh. So right here, this bin, this is a bunch of accessories. So we have like earmuffs. I went on this kick of being obsessed with earmuffs. Like, how cute. But just like winter accessories, so earmuffs, scarves, what are these, gloves? I didn't actually use any of this, but I feel like I might end up using it because I'm planning on staying in DC for more of winter than I did last year. So I was just gonna leave this, but I feel like I should go through it because there is some stuff that I just don't need. But I think I'm gonna leave this as my little like accessory bin and then throw that in the closet, or just put it somewhere that I could keep it. And then when I emptied that, I now have this large bin that I could put so much stuff in. And this actually makes me excited because I would prefer to have bins like this than just a bunch of like random bags everywhere. So I think this is going to be really useful. Maybe I could put like my like luggage and backpack in here because I need that stuff. When I go home, I need to have big bags. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Actually, I want to see this. Oh, wow. Guys, I think it was meant to be. Do you see that? That big gray bin I was talking about? It fits perfectly right there. That was meant to be. Okay, so I have all these backpacks and this luggage set that I actually won at Pocketbook Bingo, but I have to keep it in my closet. I just don't have anywhere else to put it, but like I like to have backpacks when I'm going out. Obviously travel purposes, so we need to keep this somewhere. I'm gonna see if I can fit it in this bin. Ooh, okay. Wow. Wow, look at it. You guys see that, right? I know this is probably so random to you guys, and you're like, why is she so excited? But I'm so excited because all of that used to be right here, and it took up so much space, but I feel like this is just perfect. I'm gonna see what I can fit in this corner right here. I do have a bin of hangers. Maybe that will work. Yep, it was meant to be. So there is still a little bit of stuff to do, but I feel like I got the chunk of it done and like the parts that I was the most like about. This is actually really good news because now that I've realized I have a lot of things that I don't need, I can get rid of them and then put the new stuff up. So I think I'm gonna keep my new clothes in that bag still, but it's just gonna be more motivation for me to get this out because I obviously don't want to keep my clothes in bags. I want to have them out. I want to look at them every day and say, wow, you're beautiful. So okay, everyone, we have successfully gotten this closet together. Now, yes, there is still 3 weeks worth of laundry to do, but as I keep saying, once so many of these clothes get out of here, there's gonna be so much more space for everything else. I'm actually like pretty happy with what it looks like, so here's the grand reveal. Can we get a drum roll, please? Ta-da! So yeah, I mean, still stuff, like I said. Those bags will eventually get hung up. So we have all the bags in that bin right there. The hangers, my accessories, extra pairs of sneakers. This whole corner, I swear, was meant to be like this. Like, it perfectly fit like that. There's all the summer clothes. Then we head down. I wear these shoes almost every day, if not all day every day. That's just a pair of slippers, and then those are like my Ugg slipper things. So I have those there. Then we have the everyday clothes, and then under here I just put a bunch of like my extra sandals and heels and stuff. Things that I can't wear right now, but I do want to keep here and out. So yeah, here's the closet. It's all organized now. Maybe not looks organized to you, but I know where everything is. And like I keep saying, all of this will soon not be here either. So if you guys want a video about that, just let me know. That is going to bring me to the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up for cleaning that closet because I was so stressed, but I'm good now. I'm happy. I'm over the moon that it's cleaned. All my socials will be right here on the screen as well as in the description box down below. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 o'clock. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any uploads. But I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you on Thursday.